Welcome to Happy Learning. Now we will see Carl Rogers' self-actualization theory of personality. Carl Rogers, 1902 to 1987, best known as non-directive approach psychologist, known as client-centered therapist. His concept is related to actualizing tendency, developing the concept of fully functioning person. Carl Rogers' humanistic approach. Humans have two basic needs. One is self-actualization, another one is positive regards. Humanistic psychology of Carl Rogers is known as Rogers' theory of personality. Organisms value process. He feels need of positive regards. Then the conditions of worthiness makes the positive regards. Unconditional positive regards without any preconditions. Fully functioning person want to be made in the society. Incongruent person should be replaced by condition of worth as a guide for living. Rogers' key aspect of theory is related with the phenomenal field, the organism and the actualizing tendency, the ideal self, congruence and incongruence. Personality development and condition is related with growth. Humanistic approach states that the self is composed of concepts unique to ourselves. The self concept includes three components, that is self-worth. Self-worth is known as self-esteem and self-image and ideal self. What is self-worth? Rogers believed feeling of self-worth development in early childhood and were formed from the interaction of the child with mother and father. Self-image includes the influences of our body image or inner personality. And ideal self is consisting of our goals and ambitions in life and is dynamic. Humanistic perspectives. Carl Rogers' person-centered therapy is related with the term of self-concept or belief. Incongruence is the degree of differences between self-concept and actual experience. An important tool in human actualization is the development of an image of oneself or the self-concept. Rogers' theory is related with two kinds. One is ideal self and another one is real self. Ideal self based in our hopes as wishes and real self based on actual experience. According to Rogers, the organism continually strives to develop and expand the self. The basic force motivating the organism is self-actualization. The central agency regulating a person's behavior is the self. For Rogers, the normal personality development depends on the congruence among different components of personality. They are organism, real self, ideal self, and the external reality. An individual's personality development depends upon the union and harmony between the image of his self and the organism. The larger the gap between an individual's self-concept and reality, the poorer his psychological adjustment, and as such, the picture we can see the poorer adjusted personality and the well-adjusted personality. Robust theory may be used in educational practices. It is a person-centered therapy, may be very helpful in guiding students to pursue their strength. It has the technique of human psychology, so counselors can help students to help themselves. It creates a positive relationship with the students. The counselor has the opportunity to instill conditions of work in his or her activities. Thank you.